Good evening.
Hey, how are you? Okay, who are you? How may I help you?
I've been here for more than 6 hours. I met a guy, but he refused to let me in. He demanded that I called you first, but I don't have your number. So I traced you to your radio station, and some kind person over there gave me your address.
Alright, sorry about all the stress, but you've still not told me who you are and what I can help you with.
My name is Oge. You and I met at Orange Club sometime last year. We had a one-night stand. A few months later, I got pregnant. This is your child. His name is Chisom.
Lagos girls, you guys will not kill me. Really? Just really? Is that how the hustle is right now? You come to my house, you carry a baby, you tell me that this is my child. Just like that? Look, young lady, listen to me. I don't know you. I mean, you're too beautiful to be having schizophrenia. I don't know you. I don't recognize you. This is not my baby. Okay, just do your search and your findings very well. Okay?
Are you kidding me? You want to throw your child into the street? I suffered. I carried this child for 9 months. I went through the pregnancy process all by myself. I took care of him until today. And then I lost my job. I lost my house because I couldn't afford to pay rent. That's why I had to look for you. As I speak to you right now, I have nowhere to go to with your child.
Wait. Excuse me. I think this is a clear-cut case of a mistaken identity. Look, you have to do your research well. I am not the one.
You are the father.
I don't know you. I'm not the father of the child.
Okay. Maybe you should go for a paternity test.
Fair enough. I'll call my doctor.
That's fine, babe.
Emmanuel. Emmanuel. Huh? Emma. Huh? Please come. Please. You could get a seat for this lady to wait outside here. Okay? Help me keep an eye on her. Young lady.
Yes.
I'll be back. Shit. Hello, babe. Babe, I need you to come to the house right now. I'm in a big mess. I don't even know what's going on. I don't even know what to believe. Babe, I need you to just come. Please. Thank you. All right. Wala be this, man.
She's so sorry. Oh, God.
Okay. Can you just use this to hold yourself and your baby? I see he's hungry.
Yes, he's very hungry.
Sorry for keeping you outside. Bringing you inside now will make my brother to be mad at me.
It's fine. I won't come inside. I don't want any troubles. Thank you so much.
Take care of him, okay?
Thank you.
Baby!
Oh, yeah, she's so sorry.
It's okay, sorry, yeah?
This is...
Let
me open it for you, baby. Oh, sorry, baby. Oh, yeah, take. Hey.
Don't tell me
Calm down!
Don't tell me to calm down. That lady wouldn't be here if you hadn't had anything to do with her. You cheated on me.
I didn't! She's lying.
Yes, you did.
Can't you see she's lying? Babe, I didn't cheat on you. I'm sure someone paid that girl to ruin my relationship and ruin my career. Yes, I can't remember picking up anybody from any club. Besides, babe, look at that baby. That baby's about 10 months old. When did we start dating? Even if I did anything, which I'm not saying I did, it was before I met you, so I didn't cheat.
Is that your justification for this nonsense? You know what? I am so mad at you.
That's not right.
This is your mess. You better clean it up.
No, babe, we're in this together. We're a couple. It's our mess. No, that's not what I mean. Listen, babe, I need you to stand by me right now. You can't just push me by the corner. We're in this together. Please.
We're not in this together. Don't dare touch me. Don't touch me.
Good evening.
Hey. Would you wipe that smile off your face this instant? Who are you? And who paid you to destroy my relationship?
I beg your pardon?
No, I will not pardon you. One bit. Now listen up. Donald and I are engaged to be married. And I will not let you come here with your claim to destroy that. Okay? He has already said that he's not responsible for your child. So I'll advise you to leave here now.
Look, ma'am, I'm not here to drag space with you. Neither am I interested in getting married to your Donald. I just want him to take care of his child. I wasn't going to look for him, but I lost my job because I was taking my son to work and the company frowned against it. I lost so many opportunities. I lost my house because I couldn't continue to pay the rent. And then I thought to myself, why allow your child suffer when you know his father is capable of taking care of him? You know what? To avoid all of this drama, I think we should just go for a paternity test.
Shut up! Who are you to tell us what to do? Now listen up. I know your type. You see this? I am not falling for it. Take yourself, take your bastard child, and leave here before things get ugly. What is it? You know, there's a saying that goes, a mother knows the real father of her child. That woman sounded so convinced. She's so sure that you're the father of her child. In fact, she's even the one suggesting a paternity test. So there's a 50% chance that you are the father of that child.
Maybe you said 50% chance. 50, not 100. Look, I don't mind doing a DNA test or anything to prove that I'm not the father of that child. You can't be so sure, babes. You can't.
The DNA test result is out. Don't come close to me.
Baby, can't do this.
Oh, what is it now? Do you want to get me pregnant too? See, that is what you do these days. Going about getting women pregnant. Don't come close to me.
What kind of life is this? This is not happening to me. did I get here? Uh, sorry. Sorry. Calm down. Have you had something to eat?
Nothing serious. The other guy gave us bread.
Look, why don't you just leave? Why don't you just go? Look, I will give you money. I know that the end goal of all this is to extort money from me. Fine. Okay, because I know the child is not mine. Alright?
No. No. I can't go. I can't leave. Let the DNA result be out first. Please. I don't need anything from you. I just want you to play your role as his father. I'll stay here with my child until he's of age. Then I'll leave.
Stay where? Where? I don't think you understand. Emmanuel! Emma! Who's this boy? Emmanuel! Where have you been? Take this young lady and the baby to the guest room. That's the boys' quarters at the back. Give them anything they want, water, food.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
No. See, okay. We can go through here, we can go through the other side. So let's get to here, okay?
My friend, do what I asked you to do.
Okay.
Never serious.
What's keeping her now? So what's her problem? Why would she keep us waiting? How long would it take her to just get dressed and get out?
Well, maybe she was expecting that if she mentions paternity test, I'll start fidgeting. Right now, she's the one shying away from it. She didn't know I was going to be willing to go for a paternity test.
She should just hurry up. Stop keeping us waiting. Let's get it done today. Finally.
Don't worry. There's no need for explanations, alright? Let's just go to the hospital already. Come on in. Look, I can be a bad boy sometimes, but I don't remember this particular girl. I don't remember having any kind of one-night stand with this girl. I don't.
I know you tell me everything, but the silly things you do. And I can't remember you mentioning anything about this girl to me.
That's the point.
But you still can't rule it out. She could be one of your escapades.
Nelly, you're my colleague and my friend, and I tell you things. Do you remember me telling you anything about? No, I can't even remember. It doesn't make sense.
Well, you said you guys were drunk that day. So it is very much possible you still had something with her. Ah, Peggy. How is she feeling? I can't even put myself in her shoes now.
Peggy's mad at me. Peggy's mad and I understand. Like if anything goes wrong with my relationship, I'm just going to be very upset with that older girl. She's just come into my life and ruin my life like that.
But you can't handle it this way. You need to be very diplomatic in handling this. You need to apply wisdom. It's not by this one you're doing. Come on, guy. You'll be fine. Okay? Come, let's go grab a bottle of beer.
Bottle of beer? Come on. I'm meant to be on air in 1 hour, 30 minutes time. I can't take beer right now. Can't do that.
How are you supposed to work with this mood? You can't perform. 1 hour, 30 minutes is such a long time. Come, let's go drink. 30 minutes is enough for you to do whatever you want to do.
All right, fine. Let's just go.
Scared.
Okay, I am so worried for you. Please, I beg you to walk away now that the result is not yet out. Because this man will not spare you if the result comes out and proves that he's not the father of your child. Okay, you have no one to fight for you.
I am not a child. Look, I know that Donald is the father of my child. Yes, it was a one-night stand, but I remember him. I remember the man that slept with me. And it's Donald.
Okay, people look alike. You told me you both had a bottle of wine. And you know very much well that your head is not strong for alcohol. Okay, look at it this way. What if it's a guesswork?
It's not a guesswork. Donald is the father of my child. And I'm ready to face whatever happens when the DNA result comes out. But I'm 100% sure that it's going to come out positive.
It's okay. See your mind is made up. I wish you luck, okay?
Thank you.
Very strong.
Please. I better get going before my baby cries the house down.
I understand.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Let's go hard. Let's go hard. Let's go hard. Baby Shark.
What's going on here?
Welcome.
What's the meaning of this? What's happening?
The baby couldn't sleep, so I brought him to watch TV. He was really thing that can calm him down is
Look,
him watching TV.
this is not what I asked you. Listen, I was kind enough to allow you to stay in this house. You don't have to mess up everywhere for me. Look, your boys' quarters has a television. You should have just stayed there.
The TV is not working.
It's not my business. I do not need you in my kitchen. I do not need you in my room. My girlfriend almost literally stays with me. You stay in the boys' quarters. Your boys' quarters has a TV. You're telling me the TV is not working. Just.
I'm sorry. Okay? That's what I am, okay? Sorry.
Better be. Trying to force a baby that I know is not mine on me.
Good morning.
Yeah, what's up?
You restricted me from entering this kitchen. And now my son is very hungry. I've not had anything to eat this morning and he's crying. Please, can I enter the kitchen and make something for my son to eat?
Look, point of correction, I didn't restrict you. I just have simple orders in this house. Not everyone enters my kitchen. Not everyone. Alright? Anything you need, just let Emmanuel know and he's going to sort it out. Whether it's food, whether... Not everyone is going to enter my kitchen. And look, you don't have to blackmail me. I can even feed the boy. I know he's not my child. Whether he's my child or not, I can feed him. You understand? So you don't have to make it look as if you're my son, whatever. You don't do that. Don't blackmail me. Is that fine? Very good. Emmanuel! Ma! Emmanuel!
Sir?
Very good. Please come.
Good morning, Emmanuel.
Good morning.
Please, can I ask you for a little favor?
Of course.
Okay, so if I buy noodles, will you help me cook it? My son and I are very hungry.
Why would you buy food outside when we have surplus in the house?
No, please. I don't want the food in the house. I still have some money that can cater for myself and my son, please. Your guy has warned me not to for his kitchen, and I respect that. He's a very mean person and I don't want any troubles with him.
You see, we have to stop taking things so serious. You see, Donald is not that mean as you think. Alright? And besides, if you really want me to stop giving you people food, you'll tell me. For now, he hasn't said that. You'll be getting your food.
Please, I'll rather buy my food.
I'll get food for you. So, just stay in your room and wait for me. I'm coming.
If you insist.
No, I'll lie.
Thank you very much.
Alright, okay?
Yo, babe. You know the drill now. This is weekend, so I came to pick you up, so we'll spend some quality time together.
Well, I have a few things I need to take care of at home this weekend, so I can't.
Babe, come on, what are you doing? What are you doing? Our communication is not making sense anymore. This is not healthy for our relationship. I want to go out with you, you say no. I want to do this, you say no. Come on.
Well, what is unhealthy is the fact that you stooped so low to get that lady pregnant. I can't pretend anymore. I can't continue acting like, oh, I'm fine with this, okay with it. And I don't want to continue seeing you until the DNA test result is out.
Come on, babe, you can't do that. You can't. I mean, this is not the war that only me will fight. You have to stand by me. I'm expecting you to stand by me, babe. I need you. I need you.
Was I standing by you when you were sleeping with her? I guess not. Please just leave me alone until the DNA result is out.
Peggy. Peggy, really? Fuck. Where's that girl that wants to ruin my life? Where is she? I'm sure that that girl is lying. I am sure that that baby is not even my baby. This is probably a gimmick or something.
Just take it easy, bro.
This girl can't ruin my life, no. Emmanuel! Emmanuel! Go to the boys' quarters and get Oge for me. Where's this guy now?
Okay, it's here.
Listen to me. I need you out of my house. I don't think I can condone any of this anymore. Look, you need to leave. You want to mess up my life and I won't let you do that.
Well, Mr. House Owner, I have nowhere to go to except you want me to sleep in the streets with your child.
He's not my child.
He's your child.
He's not my child.
Your child.
You can't put it up.
He's your child.
He's not
your child.
He's not my child.
Bro,
You're trying to frustrate me.
bro, take it easy now. See, I know you're not happy right now, but you must handle this thing with the brain. See, Oboroko family, we have brain. We handle things with the brain.
What do you mean, Oboroko family?
That is where we are from.
What do you mean? What do you mean, Oboroko family? What nonsense is that? Oboroko was our great grandfather. I am not from. That's not my surname now.
Let me help you. My sister, see, you have to calm down. You know this way. Eh? My sister, yeah. Come, I have to go to your room now. Yeah? Go to your room.
I am not going anywhere.
They are going to listen to me.
Oporokos.
Eh?
What's the Oboroko for now? You must tell everybody that I'm from the Oboroko family.
But that is where we are from. It's our blood. We run in our...
I'm not Oboroko. Grandfather.
Okay, but it's still us now. Okay, you don't want me to tell people that you are from Oboroko.
My surname name is Martins. Martins, Donald Martins.
Oh, let us sit as brothers.
Who is Oboroko? Oboroko. Tell it. You must tell the world that me, a superstar radio presenter, is from the Oboroko family.
Babe, you still don't want to talk to him? At least pick the call and hear him out now.
Nothing to hear enough. You needed to have seen the new life you got pregnant. Ew. Disgusting. Ugh.
Can you at least wait for the DNA result to come out? You have to be wise though. I mean, a girl came to the house with a child, the father, and you believe. This is Lagos, so. This is the hustle for Lagos babes. Don't you? You're going to lose your man though. You better talk to him. Listen to him, hear what he has to say. Me, I've advised you, be there fighting with your man. I'm here chatting with my own. Oh.
God. This head is just at the point of exploding. Yet I can't remember having a one-night stand with this girl. Who sent this girl to ruin me? Who have I offended? She should better leave my house. She better leave my house.
Hey! Stop right there. Where are you running to? Hey, hold it. I saw you. You were about to take off after seeing me. Listen, I don't know what angle you're playing at, but I'm convinced within myself that my man is not responsible for your child. You think I don't know what you're about? You lazy ass girls running around the streets looking for who to pin your bastard kitten. What do you want? Child support, right? You want to be a baby mama. I hear it's not a career to be a baby mama so you can be getting monthly allowance. But trust me, you hit the wrong jackpot this time. Okay? Because you see, me, I won't let that happen. I will make sure you don't get 1 penny of my man's money. When you're done playing your game, you can wrap it up already because it's dragging. Wrap it up and get the hell out of our lives. Stupid.
Hey.
Hey.
Babe, I am so sorry. I've literally been worried about you. Look, I've spent nights trying to figure out what really happened, trying to check where I met that girl, but I can't figure out anything. I really am so sure that that girl is not for real. I don't know her from Adam, trust me.
Well, I've also been thinking about this and Sonia said something that struck. She said that most of these girls are so lazy. What they do is get pregnant for their cheap boyfriends and look for a wealthy man to pin it on for child support.
Exactly. Sonia is such a darling. I swear, God is going to bless her for me. Because I was thinking in that direction too. Babe, I am convinced with every considerable amount of certainty that that boy is not my son. We don't even look alike, do we?
At all, you don't. And I'm convinced within myself that you're not the father. But we have to wait for the DNA test result to come out to be sure.
Anything you say, my love. Okay?
Sorry.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I missed you.
It's okay.
I'm so sorry, baby.
It's okay. I'm sorry.
Sorry.
I'm sorry.
Come here, baby. I missed you so much.
I missed you too, baby.
Honestly. You good?
Yeah.
Why is it taking you forever to come down from the car? Emma, how far?
Welcome, Why is everybody wearing long faces except you? You're the only one smiling from this movement.
The DNA result is out.
Okay.
He's the father of my child.
Like seriously? Powerful! Excellent!
Where's my baby?
He's doing fine. In fact, he's sleeping. How I said this? I tell you that this boy is our boy. This boy looks exactly like my great-grandfather. If you're looking at my great-grandfather, this is the boy you see. Mazio Oroko!
Oh, wow.
My great-grandfather, the same shape of face. The same forehead. Look at the baby's forehead now. I will show you this picture. Don't worry. I will not allow Donna to trouble you again. Alright? If he troubles you, I know what to do. I will put a call across the village people. Let you see us in action. Okay? Just come inside.
Are you sure?
There is no problem. I'm telling you now. He's my cousin brother. You don't know? Come inside. Don't worry yourself. Anytime, in fact, anything you want to do, just don't mind his actions. Let things you want to do be your mind.
You he-goat, a dog, a community prick. That is who you are. So you knew that baby was yours and you allowed me to make a fool of myself by going to that hospital with you. How could you do this to me?
We're not sure that that baby is mine. Look, I am sure that that DNA test is a fake one. Trust me, that result is fake. We're going to rerun the test, okay? Please.
I have an idea. What's that? Pay her off. Give her money. I'm sure that's what she wants. Give her money so she can live our lives.
Well, what if the child is mine?
Well, she can leave him. She can leave him with you, right?
Yeah, but babe, you know that I cannot babysit a child all by myself.
Get a nanny. Or better still, just drop him at the orphanage home and visit once in a while. Maybe after our marriage, we can bring him back. Whatever, I just want them gone.
I'll think about it.
You're unbelievable. Out of my way! Don't you dare touch me!
Babe.
Let me go! Leave me alone!
Babe.
Let me go. I am happy for you. But you don't need to relax and depend on him. This is the time for you to pick up the pieces of your life and make something good out of it. I think you should walk again.
Vivian, why are you sounding like you don't know how this thing works? You know I can't get a job because of Chisom. No company wants to employ me. I have tried severally, but it didn't work.
You have to try again. I just want you to be leaving that house and come back at night just as they do. That would be the only way these people will respect and regard you. This is the time to stand up to him. He needs to take care of his son.
Okay. Have I told you you have a very kind heart? Thank you so much. I really appreciate everything you do for myself and Chisom. God bless you.
Thank you. Bless you too. You would do the same for me. Here. I got some beverages.
You're doing too much already.
Come on. You would do the same for me if you're in my shoes.
God bless you. Chisom will be very happy.
I know.
Thank you so much.
How have you been coping?
He can cry.
I know.
He cries the whole house every single time.
I know. Don't worry. All this will pass away someday. You'll be fine.
Amen. God bless you.
My babe.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh God. God. No.
What are you doing here?
Sorry, baby. Sorry.
Your Oga scared the hell out of me today. I walked in on him in my room staring at my child. Only God knows what he's up to.
But I don't see anything. A man staring at his own child. Oh, nothing bad about it.
Look, he should respect himself and stay in his lane. Okay? Please, I don't want any troubles in this house. He should leave me and my child alone.
Just calm down. Just be calm down. Take things easy. Take things easy. See, despite the fact that sometimes he behaves somehow, but at least I know that Donald can never hurt a fly.
That's what you keep saying. But why do I say the opposite in him?
Yeah, just because you guys have not started agreeing to each other. That's why you are saying it. And to me, about this...
Let him leave me and my child alone.
Okay.
I'm being serious, so
no
if he doesn't want to see the anger in me...
No problem. No problem. No problem. I will tell him that you said you don't want him to see the other side of you.
Yes.
I will tell him you said I should tell him, right?
Is there food in the house?
I made rice.
Rice?
White rice.
Can I have some?
Yes. I was about bringing it.
Thank you.
No one.
Thank you. Let it be plenty, because I'm very hungry.
I'll put food for you at Chisel.
Okay, thank you.
Come here. What are you? Who has that food you're carrying? Who has that food you're carrying?
No, this is a Gary and water. Then this is small soup.
You're mad.
I made it.
You're very mad. I said, who has the food? Did I ask you who made the food?
No, Ogi has been hungry, and she said I should get her.
Listen to me. That girl has cost me a lot of damages. Feeding her, making her fat every day. That's not why she came here. Take my food back to the kitchen.
Sir.
I said, take my food back to the kitchen.
I brought still one more thing. You know that lady is breastfeeding a child. Should I take the food back?
Take the food to her. Take the food to her.
Then, if you have small change, you can still bring it, maybe use it and buy palm wine for her so that the breast milk will be coming out very well. Can be food on you. I'm sorry. If you see money for Pammy, you bring.
Hi. Because this is food.
Peggy, there are better ways to handle this than staying apart. I mean, he hasn't done anything that no one has not done before.
See, my problem is not that he cheated, but the fact that he cheated with someone way below my standard, it means he doesn't have class at all, and that's a turn off for me.
Babe, to forgive is divine. I take full responsibility for my mistake and I am deeply sorry. Please just find someone in your heart to forgive me. Please. Please.
Well, fine, but I'm not going home with you, okay? Just go.
Just, you heard her, just go home. I'll talk to her for you, okay?
Alright, that's fine. Becky, I just want you to know that my world doesn't feel complete without you. I'll be waiting for your call. Sonia, I love you, dear.
Come on now.
Donald, what are you doing here? Are you drunk? Please, you have to go to your room. What are you doing here?
I came to apologize. Sorry for... I'm sorry for all the things I've done. I've not been the best dad. I have not really been the man I should be.
Donald, I cannot believe anything you say right now because you're drunk.
I love you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, baby.
Donald, stop it.
I'm
Just
sorry.
no, Donald, please, just you're drunk. You need to go to your room, please.
I know I'm drunk.
Yes, you're drunk.
I know what I'm doing.
No, you don't know what you're doing.
I'm sorry. I love you. I miss you.
You love me.
I miss your body. I miss you. Everything. Come on.
Donald, you don't mean it when you say you love me, do you?
You don't want to wake up, Chisom. I mean it. I'm serious. Look at me. I'm sorry. Please. Just go to my room. Okay? Please. Come on. Come on. Come on. Jesus. What's going on here? What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
You brought me here.
Did we do anything? Did we do anything? God. This girl, what's your mission? What the fuck? What are you doing? Leave my room. Leave my room. Yeah. I was drunk. Didn't you see I was drunk? Donald, you're finished. God, this girl is on a mission to ruin my life. Jesus. Okay, you knew I was drunk yesterday, right? Why? Why? You knew I was drunk, yet you took advantage of me. You know that it's a crime. If I decide to take this up right now, people will say I'm wicked. You will say I'm wicked. Look at you. You know you have a banging body. What did I do wrong? I was drunk. You saw it clearly. Why couldn't you just help me? Why couldn't you just push me back and say, yo, you're drunk? Why are you doing this to me? Why? Why? I have a woman I'm supposed to marry. You just came into my life and you're turning everything around. Why are you doing this? Okay, why? Shit. Look, this is not fair.
See, my dear, you have to stop crying. You see, at this point, no one controls Donald. Okay?
Why is he so mean to us? Why is he so wicked? How can he be scolding me for something he forced me into?
You see, Donald is actually my cousin, and I know...
What?
Yes, I know the way he... I know Donald very well.
He's your cousin?
Of course.
And yes, he treats you like this? You see why I say he's wicked? He's so wicked. How can he treat his own cousin like this?
See, that one is not a problem. We have our ways of settling our differences. Okay? So the most important thing here right now is just stop crying. Learn how to overlook some of his behaviors and the way he talks to you, because whether you like it or he'll continue talking to you that same way.
It's fine. It's fine.
It's okay. Just take care of yourself and your baby, okay? And stop crying. Alright? I'll see you later.
Thank you.
So I got a few baby food. Yeah. Go ahead. Or you don't want you to have some food? You're not saying anything to me. I don't understand what's happening.
Thank you.
Where are you going? Good morning. Where are you going to?
You made it clear to me that you do not have any business with me, which includes my activities. So why are you asking me where I'm going to?
Well, FYI, you're living under my roof. Don't you get it? If anything wrong happens to you, I'll be held responsible. So I have the right to know.
Nothing will happen to me. I'm just going to see my friend. She's trying to help me get a job.
She's trying to help you get a job?
Yes.
Wow. I thought you said with the baby you can't get.
Well, she knows someone that knows someone in the company, and I'm sure I should be able to get a job there.
Fair enough. So what about the baby?
Oh, the baby is in good hands. I left him upstairs with Emmanuel, and he will be with him until. Vivian, I appreciate all your effort in trying to make me stand back on my feet. And I must say that the job is good and the salary is very attractive. But my problem right now is the time. Girl, 11 hours is too much for me to leave my child in the care of another person. So, I'm thinking that maybe we should start talking about this job thing from next year. By then, Chisom would have been bigger and I'll be comfortable leaving him in the hands of someone else.
Okay. You went through the pregnancy process all by yourself. You still take care of the child till this time, alone. You paused your life. Don't you think you're sacrificing so much for a man that isn't going to marry you?
I'm equally doing it for myself. Chisom is my child, my blood.
So he deserves all the love and care and attention that I can give to him as his mother.
I have an auntie. She's a welfare manager. Maybe we should take your case to her table. Trust me, she will humble Donald for you and even get enough money from him for you to start up a business.
No, please. I don't want all of that drama. Neither am I interested in his money. Look, all I want is for Donald to take care of his child. As for me, I know that I will be fine. It's just a matter of time.
Are you saying that you're not taking up the job?
Not at this very moment. Not.
Okay. Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure, Vivian, and I apologize. I'm really sorry for stressing you and all, but I can't take the job now.
You're sacrificing so much.
He's my child. If I don't sacrifice for him, who would I sacrifice for?
It's fine. You will have to call the firm to terminate the appointment.
Oof. That shouldn't be much of a problem, I guess.
It's okay. Are you hungry?
I'm always hungry, you know it.
I'm getting food. I'm angry.
I'm sorry.
I'm angry.
I'm really sorry.
Come here. See, Dada is back. See, Dada. Say, Daddy. Say, Daddy, welcome. Say, hello, Daddy. Hello, Daddy.
What's going on there? I thought I asked you to stay off this living room for the meantime. You have your room. Why are you here?
Well, that was before the DNA result came out. Chisom here is your son, which means he has certain rights in his father's house. But if you think otherwise, that's fine. I'll have no option but to go to the welfare and, report.
Ignore her.
Let's go upstairs.
Come. Play with your daddy. First aid treatment, yet the fever is not calming down. Just with me. I'm coming, okay?
What are you doing?
Let me get comfortable.
I know, right?
Ooh.
I enjoy times like this with you.
What the hell?
Donald, the baby is running temperature. I've given him first aid, but his temperature is still very high. We need to take him to the hospital now.
Now?
Yes.
It's late. Look, just find a way and calm the baby down. We can go to the hospital in the morning. We can do it
I've done
tonight.
everything I know, even the ones I don't know. The baby is really running fever. Please, let's go. Let's take him to the hospital.
Oh, God. It's late. Don't you see what time it is? We'll go in the morning. Find a way and calm the baby's fever down. Nothing is going to happen. Do you understand? What sort of thing is this? Just trying to blackmail me with the baby.
All this?
Babe, I'm sorry. Look, you don't have to allow this to spoil the fun we're having now. Sorry, baby. Sorry. I love you.
Sorry. Sorry, no, sorry. Sorry, baby. What is the meaning of this? Why am I the only one suffering all of this? Why am I the only one? Take your child. Your child is very sick. He's been crying all night and I've been standing, carrying him, trying to pacify him. But I'm tired. Take care of your child.
What's the meaning of this? What care am I going to give to him that will supersede the mother care?
I have exhausted all mother care. Maybe it's time to try the father care. Being a father is not just a title. It's about taking care of the responsibilities, and this is one of them. You better make him sleep because I'm tired.
The audacity of that lady. See why I can't stay in my house, right? What is this? How am I supposed to do all this?
Don't worry. I'm sorry. Okay, don't do this to me. I don't know how to carry a baby. I don't know how to pacify a baby when they're crying, please.
Well, you have to learn. This is what I've been going through all this while by myself, and you never appreciated it. From now on, we have to share the responsibilities.
No,
So take care of your child.
I totally agree with you, but at least can we not start tonight? It's almost really the moment I'm having my babe. I convinced her to come over. Let me carry him for tonight. I beg you.
Wow. Can you hear yourself talk? So you pick a near moment with a lady that might end up dumping you to your sick child? You pick her over your sick child? Ah, you're impossible. You know, you're the worst species of men. You better take care of your son. Baby, good night.
I thought you wanted to... Okay. My guy, my bro, my best cousin. You know the familiar to you. The baby wants you to carry him. I'll pay you, just carry him for the night. I always come home for the baby's following yourself.
Oh, what are to collect the baby? I've been having headache. See, the side of the head is no longer my own. It's doing me ping, ping, ping. I need to go and sleep inside.
Wait. I'll pay you. I'll pay you 70K. I'll give you money. Give me money, I'll pay you.
Cannot. I'm having headache. I need to go and sleep. Because I wanted to watch TV, but it's not working.
Hey! If you're going, just go. Go already. You're never useful to me. Only when you need money.
Hey, Jesus.
Baby shark, 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 baby shark. Oh God, oh my goodness, I need to sleep. Baby shark, baby shark.
Good morning, Peggy. How was your night?
Thunder, fire that good morning right back into your mouth. Which I will slap that smile off your face. Continue. Stupid girl.
Happy.
He's sleeping.
I just want to take my child.
He's sleeping.
He will continue sleeping in my room. It's fine.
That's how it feels, father's love. So this is what I've been missing. That baby was so sweet in my arms. God, what am I going to do? Donald, what have you put yourself into? Peggy, where's my phone? Peggy, my baby. Nearly, like I'm telling you, it was the best feeling of life. Like I've been hearing people talk about these things, but I didn't believe. The way he lay beside me and I put my hand over him like this, God, that feeling was super duper. And even the fever that the mother said he had, the fever disappeared. Like the daddy anointing I am carrying. Do you know what it is to be a daddy? The daddy spirit. God, look, jokes apart. Yesterday night, I felt amazing. That feeling of fatherhood, it's beautiful. Very beautiful. I wish I can feel that every day though.
Is this coming from you? Huh? Okay, jokes aside. You know you can always feel this way every day if you want to. I mean, this child is your child. And this baby is in your house. Why not make yourself available and feel this way all the time?
It's not necessarily just about making myself available. I don't want the mother to start feeling too important. It's going to affect Peggy and I's relationship. Don't you get it?
Talking about Peggy, what's your plan with her?
I love Peggy and I want to marry Peggy, you know now. I love her. I mean, I should have even proposed to Peggy by now, if not for all this drama that is playing out. But I'll still propose to her because I want to spend the rest of my life with her.
Well, if she makes you happy, then sure, I am in.
You're in. As if you're my ancestors. You're in. Don't forget you're my co-worker, this girl. You're my co-worker and friend. I'm beginning to trespass. What's going on?
So now I am just your co-worker.
Hey, wait. I didn't know you were something else. What are you now? My grandmother. Come out here, Jerry.
Okay, you bring your problems to me again.
Auntie, see, drive your car and go. See you at work.
See his head, big head. This guy.
No. You don't tell me you've been like this since.
Why am I so unlucky in relationships? Just when I thought I'd found the one. Just when I thought I found someone I can finally get married to, and all of a sudden from nowhere, baby shows up.
Is that why you're crying? Who said you can't marry him? Still marry him.
No, I can't. Sonia, you don't know what's going on in the house. The drama is too much for me. I'm done. I cannot continue with that relationship anymore. Yes, this is where I draw the line. And please do not let Donut anywhere near this apartment again.
Yeah. Honestly, I don't think this is the right way to handle this thing, no.
That's what I want. And I need you to respect it.
Stop crying. Okay. Stop it. What do you want me to cook for you?
Yeah,
bro.
Thank you, my key.
Okay. Bro, it's about the new skill I told you I'll be learning now. I have made up my mind to switch over to shoemaking. And they said I should pay 150,000.
You have made up your mind to switch over to shoemaking.
Yes, that is more better now because...
What happens to the 350,000 naira that I gave you for fashion design?
The thing there is, the other one is difficult to learn. Fashion and design is not for children.
That's what you think?
I tried my best, it's not working. But this shoemaking now, I will finish them there.
That's what you think,
I will
Abi?
make a lot of money.
That's what you think, right? Do you want to know what I think? Bro, with due respect, I think you are cursed. Because we've not even finished talking about the one I gave you 350k for. You're asking me... Excuse me, let me just go to where I'm going.
Good morning.
What's up?
Stuff the baby needs.
Baby food. Baby's toiletries. Baby's clothes. Groceries. Sanitary pad. Money again and again. What's the meaning of this?
Part are mine. Baby mother's benefits. My account number is behind.
You see what I've been telling you? You can see what I've been telling you. You can see what I've been... Look at list. Look at... You see? You're coming to tell me about 350k, 450. I know how much I've given you in this life. Unfortunately, there is a child now. My child. And the mother has been asking for baby mama benefits. So you see, there's no space for you right now. In this life, it's always very good to utilize every opportunity optimally.
Oh, okay, one more thing. Can you help me get a loan in your office so that when I start this shoemaking business, I'll pay back? You know, there is a lot of money.
Wait. I should help get a loan. I've coughed out millions in the past. 450,000, 350,000, this one from my pocket.
I'll pay this
You
one.
did not pay. Now I should be stupid to go and get a loan because I'm working in a radio station. You want to kill me before my time, Abi?
This one is borrowed.
Bro, you need deliverance.
There is a lot.
I will jam your hand here.
There's a lot of money in shoemaking. You see, when we
Leave your hand
I
there.
will be going to Aba to buy materials. Then after sewing, I will sell. That's how to make money. When I sew and I sell, I go to Aba and buy materials.
My friend, come up for there. Hey, Sonia.
I can't let you see her. Peggy gave strict orders not to let you in. I'm sorry.
Please, just allow me to see her. It's very pertinent that I do so. Please.
I can't let you see her. Come on, Donald. You have to make a choice. You cannot be here and there at the same time. Pick one now. Peggy loves you so much. And she's hurting badly. I don't know, but you just have to find a way to make it up to her.
How can I make it up to her when she will not even let me come close? Please, let me just talk to her.
mean, you just have to let her cool off. That's the best thing you can do right now.
Fine. I'll go, but just help me tell her that I love her so much.
She knows.
I don't understand. Does she expect you to abandon your child?
I don't know what she wants, honestly. I don't think she has a problem with the child, but she's saying that I should ask Oge to leave. Then I should call a nanny to take care of the child.
That's very unreasonable. You're even lucky that Oge agreed to stay here with you to take care of this child. Most girls would abandon that child with you and carry on with their lives. You're very lucky. It shows she's a very good girl. Then you should leave the child. The child is not the problem.
Sorry, baby. Stay with your daddy. Please help me hold your son while I make his food. Stay with your daddy.
Baby, baby, why are you laughing? Baby, see, the baby's not even crying anymore. He likes his daddy. Be shy. Baby shark, baby, baby, baby shark.
Come on.
Commentator, allow this boy breathe. I don't know how to sing this song, but I used to hear it. At least I have to practice how to sing these songs these days, you know. Baby shark, baby shark. Am I getting the song? Baby shark, baby shark.
Okay. What is wrong with you?
I have malaria.
So sorry. You have to tell my brother so that he can release money. See, in this place we don't do blind treatments. You must know what is wrong with you.
It's not that serious. I was actually waiting for you to come back so you can help me look after my son while I go get medication.
Okay. What happened is, let me go get it for you so that you take care of yourself. I
have to go myself. Please, just help me look after him. I'll be back soon. Please.
Okay. Baby. Your mother is not here. I want to get medication. Relax now, this boy. Oh. Sorry now, sorry. Your father is just a man for me. Is he not a man? And my father will come. It's okay. Come on, stay where you were. Spoil all these things. You like. Can you imagine?
How could you, okay? How could you allow him lay you for the second time without protection?
Babe, I don't know. He came in drunk and then he literally he cajoled me. I don't want to use the word first, but he cajoled me and I just fell for it again. What do I do now?
What else if not terminate it?
What? Girl, you know that is not an option. What do I do? How do I tell him that I'm pregnant for him a second time? That guy would just strangle me, literally.
You have to tell him anyways. You have to.
How?
Oh, maybe you should put your head on the ground, raise your two legs up, but you still have to tell him.
Wow. I see you're being sarcastic now. Okay. I'll look for a way to tell him. You only live once, right? If he kills me, no problem. This is just crazy. This is messed up. You better say something.
Say what? Say what?
What did you say?
No, didn't say nothing. Tell me, what is wrong with you?
Me?
Yes, you've not been looking fine. You always talk to yourself. So tell me, what's going on?
Nothing. I'm fine.
But you don't look fine. Several times you talk to yourself. You lost in thoughts. I don't know, what is going on? Talk to me.
I'm fine, honestly. I'm good.
You see, problem shared is problem solved. So talk to me. Let's see if it's what I can handle. I will assist, I promise.
Emmanuel, I'm fine.
You're fine?
Yes, I'm fine.
Oh, well, if you say you're fine.
I'm fine.
Okay.
Thank you.
Let's move on.
Thank you. What do I do now? This guy is so egoistic and unreasonable. I don't even know what his reaction will be like.
Babe, I'm sorry, we can talk. Babe, listen. She's only here because of our baby. The baby. Sorry, her baby. Hello, baby. Hello?
Good evening.
What are you doing here? What are you doing here again? Oh, you came to see if I'm drunk again so that you seduce me, right?
No. I want to discuss something very important with you.
You want to discuss something very important with me? Look, I know where this is going to end. I know. I rebuke you. I rebuke you. Leave my room right now. Leave my room with your big behinds. What kind of temptation is? What kind of wrong? This girl just wants to ruin my life, ruin my relationship.
Honestly, Vivian, I don't know what to do. He's not giving me listening ears. I'm losing my mind. What do I do? I just feel like running away, but where would I run to? Yes, because how can I explain that I got pregnant for the same man again because of his drunken state? How? Babe, I'm so confused. I'll talk to you later.
You've not slept? I was hearing your voice from inside. I heard all your conversations. You are pregnant for him? God. Is he aware of this? Is he? He is not. You have to tell him. Let him know. Because the first one was a mistake. This one, should we say it's a mistake too? You have to let him know.
I don't know what to do.
Tell him. This one is not a mistake. You have to go in and sleep. Have some rest. Bro, I didn't know you were leaving. Are you already going to work?
Of course I am. I'm late already. What's up?
I'm fine. Yeah. So it's about that thing. For the training.
Are you possessed or something? I was around all through last night. Why didn't you come to talk to me if you had something to talk about? Now that I'm leaving, you're disturbing my life.
I'm so sorry about that. But it's still about the money now. The 150,000 naira. You know, the responsibility is going high gradually. It's only one baby now you're complaining. Very soon, the next 9 months, you have another one. And you will not be able to give me this thing.
Very stupid. You are very, very, very crazy. You're the one who's going to have 5 kids.
The next 9 months, you don't know.
What do you mean?
You don't expect him. In the next 9 months, Noge will give you another one, making it 2.
What nonsense are you talking about?
That's why I need this money now. Oge did not tell you.
Tell me what?
I know she's hiding it, but that's just the truth. You know, say pregnancy, you don't used to cover it for long. You understand? So give me this money. Let me go.
What are you talking about? I'm asking you, what are you talking about?
Oge is pregnant for you now. She told me, God, she knows I should tell you, but you have seen it now.
Wait, excuse me. Did Oge tell you she's pregnant?
I saw it now.
Wait,
I saw her when
tell you she's pregnant?
She said it's small, but she knows I should tell you.
For who?
For you, it's your pregnancy now. Your second child.
For you? Wait, for you?
Blood of Jesus.
What do you mean?
Your second child is coming in the next 9 months. That is just the truth. So please give me 150,000 naira. Let me go to Aba and buy materials. There is money in this business. But I'm an asset. Use your brother make money. Excuse me.
Okay.
Let me go to Aba and buy materials.
Okay.
What is all this thing? My brother has money. Okay, get loan from the office there. I'll pay back like they say no.
Okay. Okay, I'm asking you for the optimum time. Are you pregnant? Okay, are you pregnant? I'm asking you, are you pregnant again? It's a lie. Oh my God. Wait, please, look at me. Tell me the truth. I'm not responsible, right? Okay. I'm not responsible, right?
You're responsible.
It's a big lie.
You are responsible, Donald. You came back home drunk that fateful night. You came into my room and you apologized to me. You told me you were sorry for everything you did to Chisom and I. You forced me into your room. You had sex with me. I tried to refuse protection, but you refused.
Wait.
The same way you refused the very first time you did it.
I don't understand you, okay? Okay, this is the second time you were taking advantage of a drunk man. What? This is the second time. This was exactly what you did the last time. What did I do to you? Why do you want to ruin my life?
I did not take advantage of you.
You Did I rape you? No. So how come I had sex with you? Like what?
Baby. Baby. I'm back. Anyway, I shouldn't have left the way I did, so I decided that I will not let another woman come between us. So I am here to take my rightful position. Wait, are you not happy to see me? What's wrong?
Okay, she's pregnant for me again.
What? How?
Don't ask me how. Don't ask me how. You were the one. I was begging you. You left the both of us alone in this house. I was begging you. I was drinking too much. I was depressed. I was missing you. She said I was drunk. I swear. I don't know how to explain this, but I think when I'm drunk, I don't know what I do.
You disgust me. Don't you dare! Don't you dare touch me!
You know, I hear girls say that men are scum, but Donald, Donald is the worst of them all.
What have I done wrong? I gave my best in that relationship. I've been faithful and loyal to Donald, and this is how he wants to pay me back. God.
Peggy, please just pull yourself together. He's not worth all these tears. Stop crying.
He said he was drunk the first time. Now he claimed he was drunk the second time. I'm sure he'll be drunk the third, fourth, fifth, 100th time. Look, I am not safe with such a man. God, if that lady has any disease, I am finished. I am finished. What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong?
Listen, to be very honest with you, this does not make sense at all. I mean, she has every right to be angry.
She has every right to be angry, I hear indeed. She should be angry then. I don't know what to say this time around. I pleaded with this girl, I asked her not to leave. She left me, she shut me out. I was lonely. I started drinking. You know how my drinking can be now. If I drink sometimes, I just do things I wouldn't even believe I did at the end of the day. I don't know, I can't kill myself. It's not my fault. It's not my fault, she shouldn't have left.
So why not fix things with Oge then?
Well, truth is, Oge is very attractive. Very, very attractive. But it's not just about being attractive. What I feel for Peggy is deep. I don't know, I'm just fond of that girl.
Okay, so now you know Oge is attractive. Listen, guys, feelings grow. You can build something with this girl. Besides, she's about to have your second child.
What do you mean by that? If I didn't tell you, will you know? So because I told you now, you're just talking anyhow. This will be the last secret I ever tell you.
Now me send him and go give him my belly.
Okay. We need to do something. I have a fiance. Chisom is here already. We can afford to have a second baby. I have my plans. I need to get married, you know. And it's not good for my reputation to have 2 babies outside. I don't know what I'm saying.
Okay, so what am I supposed to do? What are you expecting of me? What, are you suggesting an abortion? Look, if abortion was an option, then I wouldn't have had Chisom. I'm sorry, Donald, but I am never going to have an abortion. Never.
But I'm not trying to put words in your mouth. I'm not saying anything categorically. I'm just saying my head is full. Let's just, I don't know, we need to do something.
Something like what? Donald, I will not have an abortion. I won't.
Please, just think about something.
I will not
Yeah.
have an abortion.
Just think about
Just
something.
leave my room. I will not have an abortion. I will not kill my baby.
What exactly is your problem? Why would you bring him here without my consent?
Okay, I'm sorry. Please hear him out.
Okay, please now. Okay, you're my only sister. I know I messed up. I'm very sorry, please. Please now. Sister, please now.
So now you know I'm your sister. What you did to me is unforgivable. I was there for you through thick and thin. I made sure you lacked nothing when I was working. Even your so-called business was established with my money. And then I get pregnant out of mistake. What do? You turn your back at me. You were the first person to condemn me, and now you come here to tell me I'm your sister? You know what? I blame you for all the suffering I'm going through in the hands of my baby daddy. And I will never forget it in a hurry. And you, just have it in mind that I'm very upset at you.
Okay.
Don't talk to me. Don't touch me.
Okay, please. Chai. Can you just help me talk to her, please? I'm sorry. I will make it up to her, please. I'm sorry.
This was the same way I came to you begging that you assist us with just little money to complete her hospital bill when she gave birth. But what did you do? You shut me out. Please, oh, I've had enough for today.
Please.
You have her number.
Please,
Call her.
Please. Are you two, you are abandoning me?
No! Maybe, really beauty, baby.
Okay.
So, babe, I swear, I know this is not movie, but I'm going to buy a house for one leg. When you want it? I'm not running back again for you. Just
Yes.
Honestly, when I saw her approaching, I was worried. I thought she was up for a fight as usual. But she just came and started making out with me. So, I guess it's a good thing.
That's weird though, but if you're happy, then it's fine.
Of course I'm happy. The most important thing is that I'm finally back with her. You understand?
Yeah.
The whole thing that happened almost split us apart. You know?
What of Oge?
I don't know. She's probably somewhere. What's up with that guy now? The guy you said you went on a date with, the new guy. Did it work?
Nothing to write about. The guy was looking very bad. I don't even understand what he was wearing. I guess all this whole love thing is just because of money, I beg.
They have been prophesying. See, I see a man wearing white. He has a pot belly. Chike. Prophesy, Papa. That's what they have been doing to you.
Hey girl.
Hi, you're back so soon. How was work?
It's fine. Well, I didn't go to work. I lied. I actually went to see my man Donald.
What?
Mm-hmm.
Don't tell me you're back with him after everything that happened.
Can you learn to mind your business? Yes, we are back. We love each other. What's the big deal?
Sorry, yo.
Where are you going to?
I'm going to the kitchen to make something.
Wait. Is that why you're angry? Sit down. I have gist for you. Sit down. Let me give you gist. Okay, fine. It's not like we are like back. Okay, let me make it easier for you to understand. You know how much I've sacrificed in that relationship? The years that I put into it. I just felt like it would be unfair for me to walk away without anything. So I decided to make up with him so that I can milk him.
That's why you're my friend. That's the spirit. I beg, give me high five.
Of course, you know how we roll. And guess what? He has already given me 2 million naira to buy hair.
Yes.
He's giving me more. Trust
This
me.
is what I want to be hearing. No, you see, this calls for celebration. I'm going to get it.
I thought you were just angry. No.
I beg. I was angry. I thought you've not learned your lesson or something.
Can you imagine? Yeah, let's celebrate. It's good. I'll milk him. Can you imagine? I'll make sure I get at least 20 million naira more before I can rest. Stupid boy. You can play the game. I'm sure this will make you feel better.
I know, right?
Yeah, give the best massage.
I love your touch, baby, every day, every time.
I know you do. Baby.
Yes, my love. Don't stop. Just a little tension there. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, the money I asked, you haven't sent it, have you?
Yes, I tried to do it earlier, but network issues.
But you're going to do it, right?
Sure.
You're the best. Thank you.
I know. Babe, I was gonna ask you. God, I like this. But is your business suffering?
No, why?
Baby, it's not as if I'm complaining, but lately you've been asking me for money too much. I mean, you just keep, as I was thinking maybe your business was suffering or something.
My business is doing fine. Okay? Baby, I don't know you to be the type to complain. Just need money, for just luxury. And as your bride to be, don't you think you should be taking care of me? I mean, it's your responsibility, right?
Yeah, exactly. And that's exactly what I'm doing, right? I'm trying.
You're the best.
I know, right? Love you, my baby.
I love you. So let's go back to it.
Take me away. Take me to California.
How do you like it?
I like it soft and smooth and steady. Oh, yeah.
This?
Right. See this girl. Come here. Who are you?
Wait!
What's going on? Even our jewelries, I can't find anywhere. Emmanuel! Emma!
Bros! Oh, glory be to God. I said it. I knew with that family blood will never tell lies. I knew that my brother will never leave me like that. Let me now give you the good news. I now have my own account number. If you want to send anything to me, no longer to POS woman, but direct to my own account. I have my own now. So,
Emmanuel.
bros. Sorry.
Emmanuel, did you clean this room today?
I I clean room every time.
Where are Peggy's bags? Where are Peggy's stuffs?
Huh?
I can't find Peggy's stuffs.
Okay.
Where are Peggy's stuffs?
Peggy that has left with a very big bag. If you don't know, she has left. Long gone. Long gone.
That's fine. You can leave now.
Okay, then regarding to the account, you can now send it like I told you. The money is now coming direct to my account.
Leave this room now!
Okay, you only think the account number 2.
What kind of rubbish I'm talking about? Oh my God, this my cousin is a waste of a human being. This guy doesn't know when to be serious. Jesus, my 10 million. Shit! Shit!
Calm down. You need to put yourself.
My 10 million naira has gone just like that. This girl deceived me. She literally came back like a Delilah. I didn't see it coming. 10 million naira in 1 week. My hard-earned money, my savings.
You need to calm down. I mean, this is not the end of the world. Shit happens. Probably this is for a reason. I mean, you have a very loyal woman in this house. Why not upgrade this girl to your standard and marry her? It is way better for you than throwing away money. This girl is part of you already. She's having your second child.
Oh my God, I'm talking about my 10 million naira, my hard-earned money. My hard-earned. I suffered, I told,
But I'm telling you the truth. You need to somehow upgrade this girl and marry her. That's the best thing for you. If not, you won't be throwing away 10 million like this.
Eh? 10 million? 10 million naira? No, this is too bad. Boss, did you just say that you spent 10 million naira on a girl that is not even your wife, when your brother is begging you for 150,000 naira to learn a skill that will benefit my sister? Can you just imagine?
My family, stop that nonsense you're talking about. What's your problem? I'm talking about 10 million naira that's left my hand just like that. You're telling me about skill acquisition. Is this the first time I'm giving you money? So because you're my cousin, I can't breathe again. I've given you money countless times. You wasted, you squandered, you drank kai with the money. You come in to tell me that...
No, I did not drink kai. I for one day, I'm not a drunk. I don't take all those kai. I only invested my money in business. Hey, go wayo. They stole my money. You understand? Even Dangote did some things that did not favor him. I only invested, it did not work out. Does it now give you the impetus not to support me again?
Can't you see that something has gone wrong with your reasoning?
Boss, how can you just even give a woman 10 million naira? Okay, fine and good. I want to learn trade. It did not work out. Can't I try other things? I said, let me try something else that I know that is lucrative. You will not give me 150,000 naira. My sister, look at
Wait. Excuse me. It's like you want to go back to the village this night, Abby? My dear, stop this nonsense. I'm talking about something. You're telling me.
First. It's okay. I'm going upstairs. My sister. Okay.
I thought you wanted to be talking rubbish. I'll leave the parlor for you. Talking about. Oh God.
Come and sit.
Excuse me, Nelly. Excuse me. Sorry.
What's wrong with you? What's wrong with him? You won't listen to me. I've been telling you this thing. Marry this girl. Upgrade this girl to your standard and marry her. It is way better for you. You will not listen. Throwing away money. 10 million. It's alright. We'll see.
Good day.
Good afternoon.
You must be Emmanuel.
Yes, and please, who are you?
Okay. My name is Vivian. I am Oge's friend. And this is Mr. James, her elder brother. Yes.
Okay. Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
Could you please tell her that we're here to
No problem. Just hold on here. Let me go get her.
Okay, thank
Yes,
you.
yeah.
Vivian, was I wrong in trusting you? Why would you bring this man here? Please, the both of you should leave now.
Okay, please. Can you just listen to me, please?
You want to put me in trouble, right?
Oh, what's going on here?
Sorry, this is my best friend Vivian and my elder brother. They came uninvited, but they are leaving now. The both of you, they were just about to leave. You can leave. No.
They're your visitors, right? Have
you
given...
Good day.
How are you? Yeah. Vivian, right?
Yeah.
Well done. Come inside,
Wow.
Thank you.
It's fine. Okay. Haven't heard what your brother said. I think you should forgive him. I think you should let the past go. Let it go. It's not easy, but just let it go. You know, one thing about we humans is that we know how to mess up. But a wise man once said that to err is human, but to forgive is divine. Please, forgive your brother here. Okay? I'm sure that he has learned his lessons, just like I have learned my lessons. Otherwise, he won't be here. So please.
Okay. I'm so sorry. I was so foolish to abandon a beautiful and sweet sister like you.
No. Just stand up. Get up first. Please.
Okay,
please get up. Please. Don't kneel before me. I'm not God. Please get up.
Are you sure?
Yes, I have no choice. It's just the both of us, so I have to forgive you. I forgive you.
Chai.
I forgive you.
I appreciate it.
You've done well.
Thank you too.
No, it's fine. It's fine. She has a very good heart. It's fine. It's fine.
Yeah, it runs in our blood.
Okay. I am sorry. It's fine. It's completely fine. You are the only family I have. Besides my child, of course. And I forgive you.
So much. I'm so happy that we are back again. Please don't cry again.
I'm not crying.
You did a good one here. Hey.
You know, very good actor. Actually, an AMVCA winning actor. I give it to you. See the way you acted in front of everyone like some nice guy. If only they know the devil you are inside your heart.
Okay. I am so sorry. I know I've caused you immense pain. I know I've hurt you so badly. But please, I ask that you forgive me. From the depth of my heart, I am sorry. Okay. You have given me a child. You have yet another one in your womb. I desire above every other thing that we raised those kids together as husband and wife and children. I know it's very weird to say, but please marry me for the sake of our kids.
Hold up. Donald, did you just ask me to marry you? Me? Okay. Wow. You are mean. You are the most wicked person I've ever seen in my entire life. Donald, I got set up by an envious colleague at work, and I got fired because of that. Then I was in pain. I was going through so much hurt, and I decided to, go out there and have some fun, live a little. So I went to the club because of the loud music. And then there you were, drunk. I was high too because I'm not very good with alcohol. You approached me. We got talking. We were so drunk that you gave me your hotel room key. We managed ourselves into the room and you started to touch me. We made out. I insisted that we use protection, but you refused. You said you enjoyed it better raw. And then I stupidly gave in because I was drunk and I didn't know what I was doing. The next morning, I left without exchanging contacts with you. After a few weeks, I found out I was pregnant for you. Because at the time, you were the only guy that touched me. But guess what? I didn't look for you immediately. I thought I could take care of myself and my unborn child all by myself, which I did. I took care of the pregnancy by myself. And then I had the baby, your baby. I took care of your baby by myself until I exhausted all my money. And you became the only option I had. Then I began to look for you. The only thing I had at the time was your name that I saw on the card you used to pay for the drinks. And then I remembered that you told me you worked at a radio station. I used the little information I had of you to look for you. And eventually I found you. Donald, I was so happy. I was so grateful to God because I thought my suffering and that of my child had come to an end. I thought you would be excited to see us. I thought you would embrace us with opened arms, at least because of your child. But what did you do? You crushed me. You humiliated me. You even denied your child. You insisted we had the DNA, which we did. You made my suffering worse. And now you stand here with your sorry self asking me to marry you. Make it make sense.
Okay. Indeed. I really hurt you badly.
You have no idea.
I'll be a fool to deny it. I take full responsibility of my actions. I take full responsibility of my stupidity. And trust me, from the depth of my heart, I am sorry. Okay. I don't know what to say. You've said it all. And I have no excuses, hence. I ask you in the name of God, I beg you, literally, to forgive me. Nothing will please me more than to see Chisom and his sibling be raised together by you and I. Please, at least for the sake of our children, let us build together, my love.
Point of correction, Donald. There is no you and I. There can never be you and I. Children are not a cogent reason to get married. They have their own lives. They are going to grow up and go out to hustle for themselves and leave you and I, which is never going to happen. If you're scared that I will deny you access to your kids, then you really don't know me. I will never do that. I'm not that type of person. But to get married to you because of kids, I will never. It's a no-go area. Now if you will excuse me.
Oh, you're here. So, feel free to visit us whenever you have time.
Okay. Please, take care of yourself. Take care of my baby and the one in the womb. Look, if you need anything aside your allowance, don't hesitate to tell me, all right? I love you. I love you so much. My baby wants to. Okay? Please sleep. I love you so much. Please. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I love you so much. I'm sorry. Sorry, okay? Sorry.